Over the past few years, we've certainly seen some nice resto mods, but this 1967 Mustang is definitely one of the coolest. Fully sorted and ready to hit the road, this awesome Ford combines the stunt-pulling power of Dearborn's best muscle cars with vintage Detroit style that's classy enough to lead a parade. A professional six-figure build that included a 5-year timeline and $30,000 in paint and metalwork. This Mustang supplements solid Dynacorn sheet metal with an aggressive Eleanor body kit. However, instead of donning the traditional pepper gray pigment of everyone's favorite Hollywood Ford, this pony stretched rich black two-stage paint under sublime charcoal stripes, and today it rolls as a head-turning thoroughbred that's right at home, reflecting a summertime cruise-in. Swing the doors and you'll find a custom cockpit that threads high-grade leather with color-keyed French stitching. 6th generation Mustang GT buckets boast big bolsters under a thick roll bar that's strung with 3-point safety harnesses. A monochromatic dash hangs clean classic instruments gauges over push-button ignition and controls for modern air conditioning. Fresh carpet floats Cobra-themed floor mats around a leather-wrapped console that's topped by a low-car shifter. And the driver carves curves through a choice Billet Specialties steering wheel, which laps a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a 5-liter dual overhead cam Coyote crate engine that twists reliable horsepower into miles of torque. That modern mill utilizes a Ford Performance Coyote control pack to deal power to a smooth 6R80 6-speed auto. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a purpose-built pony car. Thanks to its thorough restoration, this legendary Ford is a great driving piece that's fun, historic, and reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.